Vishnupad, as it is clear from the name itself, the name of this temple of Gaya is Vishnupad temple because of the footprints of God Vishnu, or rather, it is said that the temple is made on the footprints of God Vishnu in Gaya. This is the only such temple in the whole world where the foot signs of God are worshipped. The speciality of the temple makes it unique in itself. There is a 50 kg gold kalash and 50 kg gold flag on the top of the temple. The Sanctum Sanctorum has a 50 kg silver umbrella, and under this is the footprint of Lord Vishnu. Apart from this, the temple Sanctorum is in a triangular shape and its eastern gate is made out of silver. At the same time, the length of the feet of Lord Vishnu is about 40 centimeters. In the temple Sanctorum of the temple, these footprints are adorned with red sandal. Shankh, Chakra, Gada, Kamal are marked on it. The height of this temple, which is made of black stone named Kasoti, which was used to check purity of gold, is about 100 feet.
सन 1800 ईस्वी की शताब्दी में महारानी अहल्याबाई होलकर जब गया क्षेत्र में आई यहाँ पे यात्रा के दौरान और विष्णुपद की जो अवस्था मंदिर की उन्होंने देखी, उसके बाद उन्होंने निर्णय लिया इस मंदिर का जीर्णोद्धार करके एक भव्य मंदिर बनाने का। तब उन्होंने काला पाषाण, जो यहाँ गया के निकटतम गांव पत्थरकट्टी है, वहाँ के कारीगरों द्वारा काला पाषाण मंगा के उस मंदिर की संरचना करके एक विशालतम मंदिर विष्णुपद मंदिर का निर्माण उन्होंने कराया।
From the 1st of September, the practice of Pindadhan has started here under Pitru Paksha, and it will continue till 17th of September. At this time, people reach Gijaji from the country and abroad to get salvation to their fathers. The Vishnupad temple is also known as Dharamshila. The significance of Vishnupad temple for Pindadhan can be understood from the fact that ancestors get salvation here from Pindadhan after the sight of the feet of Lord Vishnu in the temple after the Tarpan. All the sufferings of human beings are destroyed. Out of the 48 altars of Pindadhan, 19 altars are in the Vishnupad temple itself. Pindadhan is held here once in the year.
भगवान विष्णु ने अपने दाहिने चरण को गयासुर के वक्षस्थल पर रखा था, तो गयासुर को कुछ वरदान स्वरूप वर भी दिया था। उस वर में एक पिंड एक मुंड भी गयासुर ने याचना किया था कि एक पिंड एक मुंड इस स्थान पर प्रतिदिन होना चाहिए। तो पिंडदान अगर नहीं होता है या मुंड शवदाह नहीं यहाँ आता है, तो गयासुर पुनः अपनी स्थिति में आ जाएगा, ऐसा श्रुतियों में।
This place was named Gaya after the name of Gayasura. Lord Vishnu killed Gayasura on this earth. What is the importance of Vishnupad temple for Pindadhan? It is believed that by doing Pindadhan, the Atma attains salvation. Pitrapaksha time comes during Mahalaya before Navratri. At this time, grains, sesame seeds, water, milk, ghee, honey, incense and lamp are said to be part of the 8 bodies for charity. It is believed that Lord Brahma, Shiva and Vishnu along with Dharmaraj Yama reside in Gaya. Lord Vishnu himself sits here as Pitra Devata. Lord Rama along with Mother Sita had donated his father King Dashratha here. You can donate in many ways. Cereal, fruit, jaggery, banana, kheer can be served in many ways. Why these bodies are spherical is also a fact behind it.
पिंडदान अनेक प्रकार के होते हैं। ऊर्जेन मधुना पिवा दधि सम्मिश्रेण सत्तुना, सत्तु से दे सकते हैं, चावल से दे सकते हैं, गुड़ और केला फल मिलाकर फलेनवा, कंदमूल फल से भी दे सकते हैं आप पिंडदान। अन्नेनैव विशेषतः, आटा से भी देते हैं, अन्न से विशेष अपने पवित्र दूध में खीर बनाकर पितरों को श्राद्ध करना, पार्वण करना बहुत बड़ा महत्व है। अन्नेनैव विशेषतः, अंदर उत्पन्न होने वक्त ही गोलाकार से हुआ, इस शरीर से छूटने वक्त ही जीवो पुरुषो अंगुष्ठं च समासता, नारायण उपनिषद में है, उसी रूप से आया, उसी रूप से चला गया करके गोल रूप से ही एक पिंडदान करते हैं।
There is also the mysterious Falgu river in Gaya. Due to the curse of Mother Sita, its water flows from inside the earth. That is why it is also called Inter Salila. The description of this river is found in the Vayu Purana. Pindadhan is considered most important during Pitru Paksha on Vishnupad temple, Falgu river bank and Akshayavat altars. Because of this, even today people come to offer Pindadhan for the worship of their forefathers. An ETV Bharat report.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.